what's up DIYers? Mike Bors with the Mike Bors channel. Thank you for watching. In today's video, out with the old, in with the new, we are going to show you the step-by-step process on how to remove your old, damaged, or you just want to get rid of it, tonneau cover. Let's get started.
All right, DIYers, we are outside of the Chevy Colorado right now. This is a 2008, and I am guessing that this tonneau cover was installed in 08, making it 12 years old. This year it is 2020. Look at the condition of it. It is pretty beat up. I've been putting this off for quite a while. Look at that. And it's got a big tear right here. So it's definitely letting water in. I can promise you that. Look at that. So the first thing we are going to do is, this is a snap tight tonneau cover. We are going to pull this entire cover off of the brace. And remove it. After removing the cover, man, that is beat up. You've got these braces here that lift the actual cover to allow water to flow off of it and not allow water to settle on top of the cover. Go ahead and remove both of these. After removing those, you've got these mounting brackets here, and we find that our bolt is a 9/16. So I've got a 9/16 deep socket and a ratchet, and I'm going to loosen up this and remove all 4 mounting brackets. After loosening that bolt, in most cases you can separate the 2 pieces, and that's what it looks like. I think the hardest part of this will be the condition of your bolt. If it's got a lot of rust, it may be a little tricky to get off, but just be patient. We've got 4 of them, and I'm guessing you do too. Go ahead and remove all 4 of these brackets. All 4 brackets are removed, and next, direct your attention to your side rails. Underneath the rails is a strip, so this should be fairly easy to pull apart. And as you can see here, it's starting to come right out. That's pretty dry rotted, cracking. Hardest part is just right here. Just, again, pull the rail up, and as you do that, it should pull the back rail closest to your cab up, and just carefully pull each side out. That's what it looks like. Let's hop to the other side. The back side. At this point, DIYers, our tonneau cover is completely removed. From here, we are going to clean the entire surface around the truck bed to prepare it for the new install of the brand new tonneau cover. And what I'll do is show you the new one and what it looks like. To the opposite side, during the process of cleaning this surface, just peel away that 2-sided sticky padding and toss that. All right, DIYers, there it is. In front of us is our brand new tonneau cover X-Tang brand. I believe X-Tang is headquartered in Ann Arbor, Michigan, home of the Michigan Wolverines. Made in the USA. America's favorite truck bed cover. No drilling, no damage, protects your cargo, fast and easy install. In addition, no tugging in cold weather. Look at that little person right there trying to tug in cold weather. Not cool. That was something that was always annoying with the old tonneau cover. We always had to stretch it back out after we removed it because we could never realign these snaps with the rails. So again, we had to stretch it out, which was annoying. So we're not gonna have to deal with that with the new tonneau cover. So that's it. All we wanted to show you in this video was how to conveniently and quickly remove your old tonneau cover. And what we will do is make a separate video on installing this brand new tonneau cover. In the event that you want step-by-step guidance on that, that video is scrolling above. Definitely check that out. From here, do us a favor. Below the video, you'll see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching, and hopefully we'll see you at the next video. All I'm using is a damp paper towel to wipe off all of the dust, dirt, grime. So again, all I'm going to do is clean the entire mating surface to prepare this for the brand new tonneau cover. Nice and shiny.